Okay, Christina, you just traded in your 2005 Caravan for a 2010 Liberty. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Wow, now, did you guys look anywhere else before you came to Wally Armour?
No.
Why is that?
Because we bought our van here and we were happy with the service.
Oh, we love to hear that. Would you say we had a wide selection?
Yes.
And were you surprised by how good the prices were on new versus used?
I was very surprised.
Excellent. And would you recommend to your friends and family
Yes, I
to
would.
come to Wally Armour? Is there anything you could say about the way you were treated here?
We were treated really good and we will be back.
Well, I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.